Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on topic solid state. In previous lectures on three-dimensional clothes packing, we have studied that due to stacking of hexagonal clothes pack layers, two types of voids occurs in cubic clothes pack structure or FCC structure or hexagonal clothes pack structure. And you know that octahedral voids, these are surrounded by 6 spheres, and tetrahedral voids are surrounded by 4 spheres. And number of octahedral void is equal to number of atoms, and number of tetrahedral void is double the number of atoms. This relation also we have studied. So today in this lecture we will solve numerical problems based on this relation between octahedral and tetrahedral voids and how to calculate the formula of a compound from number of octahedral and tetrahedral voids. So let us see the numericals based on this number of octahedral and tetrahedral voids. And while solving these examples, we must know some important point. We have to remember these points. First, that is the relation between atoms and number of voids. So number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into number of atoms, and number of octahedral void is equal to number of atoms. That relation we have already studied, and therefore the ratio between these two, that is number of octahedral void and tetrahedral void, is 1:2. And in FCC or CCP structure, number of atoms is equal to 4. And from that we can calculate number of octahedral void. Therefore here in FCC or CCP structure, number of octahedral void is equal to 4 because the relation is what? Number of octahedral void is equal to number of atoms. Now number of tetrahedral void therefore is equal to 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. As the relation between these atoms and tetrahedral void is what? Tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into number of atom. Every atom is associated with 2 tetrahedral void. Therefore here tetrahedral, number of tetrahedral void in FCC or CCP is equal to 8, 2 into 4. And in HCP structure, hexagonal close pack structure, in hexagonal close pack structure, total number of atoms is equal to 6, and therefore octahedral voids are also equal to 6, and tetrahedral voids are equal to 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. So all these points are very important while solving the numerical problem. These points we have to remember. So we will solve first the problem number 1.4 from your textbook. See here, what is the problem? A compound is formed by two elements A and B. A and B या दोन एलिमेंट पासून कंपाउंड तयार झाले. द ॲटम ऑफ एलिमेंट बी, त्यापैकी बी जे ॲटम्स आहेत दे फॉर्म CCP स्ट्रक्चर किंवा त्याला काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला FCC स्ट्रक्चर. The atom of A occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void. त्यापैकी जे A atoms आहेत ते काय ऑक्युपाय करतायत? 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. टेट्राहेड्रल voids जे आहेत, जेवढी प्रेझेंट आहेत त्याच्या 1/3 ते ऑक्युपाय करतात. व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ कंपाउंड? तर मग फॉर्म्युला कंपाउंडचा काय असेल हे आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. So this example can be solved by two ways. We will see here the first way. You know that B atoms form CCP structure, it forms FCC structure, and number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into number of atoms. Therefore number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into B atoms. जेवढे B असतील त्याप्रमाणे. So 2 into B atoms. And you know that A atoms occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral voidचा नंबर आपण काढलाय 2 into B. So 1/3 of this occupies A atoms, and therefore number of A atom is equal to 1/3 into 2b, 1/3 into 2b, that is equal to 2/3b. Number of A atoms is equal to 1/3 into 2b, that is equal to what? 2/3b. B atoms, A atoms नंबर आपल्याला मिळाला. ए नंबर ऑफ ए atoms किती आहेत? 2/3b, and B atoms एकच आहे. So here ratio of A and B atoms is equal to 2/3b is to 1b, that is equal to B cancel झालं. काय राहिलं बघा? 2/3 is to 1, that is equal to 2 is to 3, and that is equal to, therefore the formula of the compound is equal to A2B3. A चे किती असतील? 2 atoms, B चे किती असतील? 3 atoms. So the ratio between A and B, or the formula of the compound, is A2B3. याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल. सेकंड मेथड to solve the same problem, that also we will see. You know that here the atoms of element B form CCP structure. कुठले atoms form करते? Atoms of element B form CCP structure. And you know that in CCP structures, what is the position of atom? Atoms are present at corners, 8 corners, and at the center of the face, 6 faces are there, as it is a cubic closed packing है, and any cube has 8 corners and 6 faces. So in CCP structure, atoms are present at corner and at the center of the face. So total number of atoms in CCP is equal to what? Number of B atoms at the corner is equal to how much? Total corner atoms किती झाले? 1/8 into 8, that is equal to 1, and number of B atoms at the face center is equal to half into 6, that is equal to 3, and therefore total number of B atom in CCP structure is equal to 4, that we know, and therefore the number of tetrahedral void is equal to number of atoms into 2. number of atoms किती आहेत? 4 आहेत. B atoms किती आहेत? 4 आहेत. Therefore number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into B, that is equal to B चा नंबर किती आहे? 4 आहे. So 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. त्यामुळे number of tetrahedral voids in CCP structure is equal to 8, and therefore number of A atoms is equal to 1/3 of this. Therefore 1/3 into 8 is equal to 8/3. Therefore the ratio of A and B atoms किती आहेत? 4 आहेत. A atoms किती आहेत? 8/3. मग या दोघांमधला रेशो किती आहे? 8/3 is to 4. That means nothing but what? 8 is to 12. म्हणजेच किती झाला तो? 2 is to 3. कारण 4 into 2 8 and 4 into 3 12. So 8 is to 12, that is nothing but 2 is to 3. म्हणजेच फॉर्म्युला कंपाऊंडचा काय झाला? A2B3. याही मेथडने तुम्ही सोडवू शकता, किंवा मगाशी जी घेतली आपण त्याही मेथडने तुम्ही सोडवू शकता. Now the same type of problem, see here, in an ionic crystalline solid, atoms of an element Y forms HCP structure, hexagonal closed packed structure. The atoms of element X occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void. What is the formula of the compound? Same method आहे, त्याच पद्धतीने सोडवायचं. So here atoms of element Y forms HCP structure. So let the number of Y atom is equal to N. आपण असं म्हणूया की Y atoms किती आहेत? N एवढे आहेत. Therefore tetrahedral voids is equal to, number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into N. आणि मग त्यामुळे number of atoms of X, you know that atoms of X occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void. त्यामुळे काय येईल? याच्या 1/3. म्हणजेच नंबर ऑफ X atoms is equal to 1/3 into 2N. That is equal to 2N divided by 3. त्यामुळे मग रेशो किती येईल? रेशो ऑफ X and Y is equal to 2N divided by 3 is to N. N कॅन्सल झालं, काय राहिलं? 2s2 3. That is nothing but what? Formula of the compound, that is x2y3. Formula of the compound is therefore what? x2y3. Now see here the another type of problem based on octahedral and tetrahedral voids. That is, a compound forms HCP structure, hexagonal closed packed structure. What is the number of octahedral void, tetrahedral void and total number of voids formed in 0.4 moles of it? आपल्याला काय दिले? फक्त नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दिले आणि नंबर ऑफ मोल्स वरून ऑक्टाहेड्रल void, tetrahedral void आणि total number of voids we have to find out. So for that we have to first calculate what? Number of atoms from number of moles, आणि हे रिलेशन आपण 11th मध्ये बघितले. सो नंबर ऑफ atoms is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. मग नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दिलेले आहेत 0.4 आणि Avogadro's नंबर कॉन्स्टंट आहे, किती येतो? 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23. त्यामुळे मग काय येईल? नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स पहिल्यांदा कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लागतील. सो 0.4 इंटू 6.022 इंटू 10⁻23 and this multiplication is equal to 2.4098 into 10⁻23. That is what? Number of atoms in 0.4 mole of the compound. From that we can calculate octahedral void. कारण रिलेशन काय आहे? नंबर ऑफ ऑक्टाहेड्रल void is equal to number of atoms and therefore number of octahedral void in compound is equal to 2.4098 into 10⁻23. आणि मग number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into number of atoms, that is equal to 2 into 2.4098 into 10⁻23. आणि हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येतं? 4.818 into 10⁻23. That means number of octahedral void is equal to 2.4098 into 10⁻23 and number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 4.818 into 10⁻23. मग यावरून आपण टोटल नंबर ऑफ voids काढू शकतो. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ voids फॉर्म इन 0.4 mole is equal to what? Number of octahedral voids plus number of tetrahedral voids. Number of octahedral void किती आहे? 2.4098 into 10⁻23 plus number of tetrahedral voids किती आहेत? 4.818 into 10⁻23 and that is equal to how much? आपण ॲडिशन केली तर किती येते? 7.227 into 10⁻23. So like this you can solve numerical problems based on the relation between octahedral and tetrahedral voids. Thank you.